Okay, question number 18, let's get right into it. So I have 27 divided by 64 in parentheses is going to be taken to the negative 2/3 exponent. So we're going to have to use some exponent rules here. So we're going to have 27 over 64, and again, this is all taken to the negative 2/3. So the first thing that we can do here is kind of understand what's really going on here. So anytime that I have something in parentheses to the 2/3, that means that I can distribute it to the bottom and the top, okay? So what I mean by that is this is going to be equal to 27 to the 1/3, and then 64 to the 1/3. And all of this is going to be to the negative 2 power, okay? So the first thing we can do here is we can figure out what is the cube root of 27. So one way to figure this out is to just kind of think about it. So we know that 3 times 3 is 9, and then times another 3, that is going to be 27. So therefore, we're going to have 3 over 64 to the 1/3 power. Now, guys, what is 64 to the 1/3 power? So again, you might have to do a little bit of thinking here. Sometimes it's helpful to memorize it, but if we think about it, we know that, well, 4 times 4 is going to be 16, right? And then 16 times 4, well, that is going to be 64. So therefore, this is actually going to be 4. 64 to 1/3 is going to be 4. So now we're going to take this entire thing to the negative 2 power. So what that's going to look like is it's going to be 3 to the negative 2 over 4 to the negative 2. Okay, so now that we have this, and let me go ahead and clear some space. Now that we know that, let's just go ahead and write out what that's going to be. So again, we know that 3 squared is 9, but if it's to a negative exponent, this is going to be 1/9. And again, 4 squared is 16, but if it's to the negative 2 power, then it's going to be 1 over 16. So now I'm going to have to basically flip this and multiply, so it's going to be 1/9 times 16. Let me get rid of give me some more room here. So this is going to be 16 divided by 9, and then we just have to ask ourselves, can we simplify this? And no, we cannot. So our answer is going to be J. So it helps to break it into chunks for this one. But yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to comment below, and I'll see you in the next video.